Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your JBL Reflect Flow. So take a look. When I try to pair them with my phone, after a few moments I will have this pairing request rejected. As you can see, there's information that we cannot communicate even when they appears on the available devices list and the scanning is still up. So first of all, I can recommend you to go back from the Bluetooth settings on your phone and simply power off Bluetooth on your phone. Next, I can recommend you to take these earbuds out of the case and put them inside bag to make like soft reset. Close this charging case and then open it one more time. After that, take both earbuds from the case and just wait for these indicators and just take a look on it. As you can see in my case, there's still not pairing mode, so I can put them back to this charging case. Okay, looks like they are charging because there's the red indicator. So let's try to take them out of this case one more time. If it still happened to you that the pairing mode is not enabled, just power off them manually. So we have to click and hold together left and the right earbud for at least 5 seconds until this indicators turns red. Okay, as you can see, the right one turns red, but looks like the left one is not working. So let's hold it and let's take a look on this indicator. Okay, that's interesting. Looks like this left, it's totally not working. Even when I hold this button, there is no information. So let's try to put it back to the case. Let's close case, open it one more time. Let's try to, okay, as you can see right now, it was blinking. So let's try to hold it for the 5 seconds to turn it off. Okay, right now it turns off. So as you can see right now, both earbuds are turned off. So let's turn them on. Click and hold together for around 2 seconds until this blue indicators blinks 2 times. And hold them together. And let's see if right now, okay, as you can see right now, the right indicator is blinking red and blue. So it means that right now they are in the pairing mode. So if you have this problem, I can recommend you to repeat all the steps that I did. And let's see if they appears on the pairing list. And let's try to connect them. Okay, as you can see right now, they are working and they are finally connected with my phone. So if you have the same connection problem, I can recommend you to simply power them off like I did. If one of them is not working, just put it back to the case and then remove and try to repeat these steps to power them off and then power them on and to get this pairing mode enabled automatically. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.